you there. Today I'm going to show you how to make my yummy vegan broccoli cheddar soup. Let's get started. So what we will need is 3 carrots, 2 potatoes, 2 broccoli bunches, vegetable broth, coconut cream, onion and garlic, and for the spices we will use smoked paprika, turmeric powder, salt, basil leaves, nutritional yeast, and olive oil. So now we have our vegetables all cut up and ready to go to make our broth. First we want to add the potatoes, then the carrots, then a piece of onion and garlic. Then we're going to add our olive oil. I like to add about a tablespoon. Then we're going to add our vegetable broth. I like to add a cup or until all the vegetables are covered. Then we're going to add some basil leaves. This gives it a good flavor. Then we're going to add some turmeric powder. Then we just want to stir it and make sure everything is mixed. I like to use Trader Joe's pink Himalayan salt, but you can add whichever salt you want. Now we're going to leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. I like to come check on it and see how it's doing, so when everything is cooked, we're going to add our other ingredients. Now we're going to add some smoked paprika. Now we're going to add our nutritional yeast, which is going to give it that cheesy flavor. I'm a fan of nutritional yeast, so I like to add a lot of it, so it depends on your preferences. Now we're going to stir and make sure everything is nice and blended, and it's already looking really good. Now we're going to cook our broccoli. I like to separate the broccoli, the top parts of the broccoli with the bottom parts of the broccoli, because the bottom parts, I like to blend them into my soup. I like to add a little bit of water to have them lightly steamed, and then leave them covered until soft. So our broccoli seems to be ready, so we're gonna set that aside for now. Now we're gonna open our coconut cream. I like to put mine in the microwave just so that it melts and it's easier to blend with the rest of your ingredients. So now that our broth is done, we're gonna take our potatoes and carrot broth and we're gonna add it to a blender along with the coconut cream that we heat up in the microwave. Then we're gonna add the stems of the broccoli, the hard part. We're gonna blend that into our soup. So now it's time to blend. It's all starting to look really yummy and colorful, and I can't wait to eat. So after you blend everything, voila, you're finished. I like to add the broccoli on top of the soup, and then I like to blend and then pair it up with toast. It's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it so I can keep making more, and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.